Fighting It Together, Toastmaster Anushka.
For the past 10 months now, the world has been fighting with coronavirus, COVID-19. There's a group of people who are fighting against depression, loneliness, social anxiety, while another group of people are fighting against unemployment, poverty, and inflation. Well, people who are left behind are fighting for their rights and for rights of others. We see farmers are protesting, students are protesting, and people who are still left behind are fighting for justice for Sushant. Good evening, virtual Toastmasters, virtual members, and welcome to this virtual world of 2020, which is a result of COVID 2019. And in no time, it is going to transport us to the year 2021. Now, friends, with this lockdown, everybody came closer to somebody. Well, it is said that people have come closer to their family members. But what I came close to with was my earplugs mic and my Wi-Fi router. My online experiences were driven by Murphy law, according to which anything that is expected to go wrong will definitely go wrong. So beginning things in the most cliche style of and asking the most cliche question of 2020. When did you got to know that you are suffering from this problem? Well, I would say my life was moving pretty good before June 2020, as I was not yet participative in an online meeting. But then on 10th July, I took up the role of TMOD, and my internet was working perfectly fine till the time Tushar was on the stage. And the moment Tushar used all the beautiful adjectives for me, right from saying talented, gorgeous, super talented, past area director, and what not in this universe, my mobile displays a message. Your internet is unstable. Please check your connection. And I'm like, dude, you get yourself checked. I'm done with you. That day, the club did not expected any grade from the meeting, the way they have expected today from TMOD. All they expected was TMOD will switch on the video at least for initial 30 seconds. But poor Wi-Fi even couldn't serve this little to the CCT. That day, I logged in not from one, not from two, but three backup devices, and everything failed quite evidently. People laughed, and I also laughed with them. But after a time, I felt bad. I thought to myself, what is the point of taking a role? If a small thing, just like which is a basic thing of 2020, that is a Wi Fi, is not by your side. That day, I decided I'm not going to take up a role because I was overly concerned about just two questions. Am I audible? Are you able to see me? Just these two questions and nothing else. Days passed by, weeks passed by. I was not taking up a role. But then one day when I was sitting by myself, I asked myself, Anushka, what was the guarantee that in an offline meeting there would be a no glitch? Wasn't it possible that somebody just entered the Himachal Bhavan when you were about to speak? Wasn't it possible that I go blank on stage or maybe in a power failure? If you could deal with Dheeraj's unexpected laughter in the meeting, then this is just a small Wi-Fi. It's not worth it giving up. I think you should give a try. And then what was next? All the series of motivational and persuasive speeches which I've heard in my life ran across my brain. And next thing I see myself doing is that filling up the agenda. But this time for the role of grammarian. As failing at the TMOD was something huge. So I thought to myself, even if it does not work this time, at least people won't mind if a grammarian is not performing well. But then, friends, I read a quote. Yesterday I was clever, I wanted to change the world. Today I am wise, I want to change myself. I realized just like COVID-19, my Wi-Fi issues are real and I should work on improving them. I did change my connection, did arrange a new LAN cable. I even talked to 4 members of the club, which includes Prerna, Poonam, Pragya and Vishal, and did a regular Wi-Fi checkups with them before I came on the stage. And then what was next? People started saying, hey, your net is improving for better. It was slightly better than tomorrow and better than yesterday. And all these small motivations really helped me to gear up and come on the stage. Now, you all must be wondering why today I'm sharing this story when you all were there in the struggle with me. Well, friends, the purpose of sharing this story with you all is that just like a new Toastmaster who can go through nervousness, a series of glitches can even make an experienced Toastmaster go through some level of nervousness. And to be honest, before I gave this speech, I was nervous because of just two things. Am I audible? Are you able to see me? But then I thought, there's no point of worrying about something that you cannot control. I stopped establishing a connection with my Wi-Fi and thought about establishing a connection with my audience and thought about writing a speech. And so today see me today giving out a speech there. No struggle in this world is small and no battle is unreal. When you hit the rock bottom, don't worry. The only way left is being up. And see, today things did change for good. It is said all good times do come and end, but so is true for bad times too. The secret to success will lie in the fact that how hard you are going to try to build up the castle when you see it break. Though initially overcoming and establishing this trust factor was very difficult for me. But see, with time, I have improved, and so does my Wi-Fi. At last, I would like to say, one day, we all will be able to figure out the issues, whether we are facing them in our personal life, professional life, or even in our Toastmasters life. But until you conquer that mountain, just keep trying and keep practicing. Don't hold yourself back by doing what you love to do. At the end, I would just like to say, the darkest hours of the night came just before the dawn. Just wait there and practice so that you are working there and waiting there to see the sunshine. Thank you, everyone.
Whoa!
Oh, it calls for a standing ovation. Her net is working.
Thank you, guys.
What an amazing internet connection, Toastmaster Anushka, and even a better speech.
Thank you. Thank you.
Like
Finally, Nirvana.
making out a speech out of the situation. I mean, how creative is that? I'm sure the members are going to have a tough time voting for the best speaker today. So, moving on, before we move on to the next session, which is the